beautiful people. You are welcome. God bless you all, my old and my new subscribers. I love you. God bless you. So today I want to make my baby food. I decided to show you all. Okay, this is a food for baby as from 6 months. Okay, so guys, we are going to be making both the way I make the fruits, the fruit food, and the vegetable. These are the fruits I'm going to be using: banana and strawberry with apple. So the other food I'm going to be using: rice, almond, and chicken breast with potato and some vegetables. So this is for the food, and the other one is for the fruit meal. So you soak the rice, okay? If you don't want to soak the rice, you have to boil the rice first before putting the vegetable. This is water. You just add water to it and soak it, okay? Maybe for some minutes or so. So that is chicken breast. This is chicken breast, and the chicken breast, why I love using chicken breast is that it's soft and it has no bone in it, okay? So you use chicken breast, you cut it very tiny, and after cutting it this way, you have to wash it, okay? Before I put everything here, I've washed it. You place it in the pot, and the potato, you have to cut it. If your potato is green, don't use it because it's not good, okay? But if it is not green, it's better to use. You can use this white potato or sweet potato. As I will be making my baby food, I will be bringing it out here in this channel to show you how I make my baby food, okay? So this is the potato. After peeling it, I add it to the pot. So this is carrot. I wash it and scrape it. So it's better for you to wash it and scrape it. Wash it very well, okay? You have to be clean. So I just cut it this way and add it to the pot. So guys, this is very simple, and this is onions, just a little bit of onions. We don't need much. So just little, you add it to it, okay? So that is it, guys. And the vegetables is the frozen one. The vegetable was the frozen one, and you can buy fresh vegetable. This is the frozen vegetable, okay? Sometimes I use frozen one, sometimes I use the fresh one. So this is the rice and the soaked almond. I add them inside the pot, and I'm going to be adding just water to it, a little bit of salt. You know, too much of salt is not that good for baby. Just little is okay. I just add water to it. I put it, and we're going to place it on the pot for 18 minutes to 15 minutes to 18 minutes, okay? 15 minutes to 18 minutes with this. So as we are waiting, I'm going to be doing the fruit meal. So this is apple. I peel the skin and just cut it gradually, because this apple meal is so good. The kids love it. They love it. You can give it to them like in the evening, or maybe in the morning when you don't want them to eat too much heavy food. So this is strawberry. So I cut it gradually and place it inside the pot. So with the banana, I'm going to be putting it inside the pot too. Should I put the banana in the pot? Yes, guys, yes. It's very good for you to boil it, okay? So this is going to be staying here for 6 minutes to 7 minutes, okay? 6 minutes to 7 minutes, the fruit meal is done. But the other one, we have to leave it. You see the way it is. You see the other one. Just boil it that way. That is it, guys. So simple. We are done this way. So it's good this way. You see the way it is. The strawberry is not soft. Everything is okay. So I place it inside the blender. You have to wash your blender thoroughly. So I blend it. I want to blend it very smooth. You know, as a baby, they don't want anything to shock their mouth, and they are very sensitive. you have to blend it so smooth. You can do it at home yourself. It's even better. You know what you put inside of it. Okay, you can do any type you want to do. I do a lot of food for my baby. I'll be showing you how I make it. Okay, so that is the fruit juice. This is the fruit meal. This is the fruit meal. Okay, this is the fruit meal, or you can call it fruit soup, or you can call it fruit meal. So this is the fruit meal. It's so good for baby to eat in the evening, so that they will not eat too much heavy food. It's so good. And that is the bottle I will be keeping them. And this is the vegetable and the rice and the chicken. If you like beef, you can use beef. If you like chicken, you can use chicken. You can use fish. Okay, so I will be bringing a lot of it here, because I do it normally every weekend. I do it. Okay, sometimes 2 times a week, because you can put it in the freezer, but I don't like it staying too long in the freezer. For me, maybe like 2 weeks or 1 week or 2 weeks. If 2 weeks, if it is even too much, I don't put it 2 weeks, because it's very easy for me to make. Okay, but if you are so busy, you can leave it for 2 weeks. But me, I leave mine for like a week, or I can do it 2 times a week. Okay, so this is it, and it's very smooth, guys. It's so smooth. Your baby is going to love it. Your baby is going to love it. All those one in the blender, I take all of them out. Okay, I will take all of them out. That is it. So simple as ABCD. So this is the bottle. You can buy bottle in any shop. Okay, you can just buy a bottle in any shop and wash it. So this is the fruit meal, and that one is the vegetable and the rice meal. It's so good. You just place all of them in the bottle, or if you have a small plastic rubber, you just place it, or you can put it in your ice rubber and frozen it. Let it be frozen. Anytime you want to bring it out, you just bring it out. This is my baby plate and the spoon. So I'm going to be taking the one is going to be eating now out. Okay, so this is it. This one is okay. So I just give him to this. So this is so good, guys. You have to do it, and if I can do it, you can do it. It's so simple to make, and I'll be bringing a lot of it in this channel. You know, I told you that we are going to be seeing a lot of beautiful things in this channel. As far I know that it can help somebody out there, I'm going to be bringing it to you. This is a TV. In a TV, you come and see a lot of good stuff. Okay, here you are going to be seeing a lot of good stuff. Do you see the way it's good and so healthy and nice, and you know what you put inside of it? I give the meal to him, like I give the meal to the baby by afternoon, and evening I can give the baby the fruit meal. Okay, the other time maybe it's ordinary meal or any other. So I will be showing you a lot of baby food I used to make at home. I will be taking you guys along. Okay, what you want to know about the baby process and all, just put it down below. I'm going to answer your question. God bless you. I love you all. I love you all. I can't stop loving you. So if you have any question about the baby stuff, about what you want to know about baby and anything, maybe you are just a new mom, you want to know things about baby, just put it down below. That is why I am here, to answer you everything you want to know. Okay, if I have the answer, I am going to give it to you. I love you. I can't stop loving you.